So now you have added Kapoor to your name, and we Kapoor
has
love.
said this?
I don't know. You said Alia
It
Bhatt
was,
Kapoor.
I mean, okay, anyway, it was like a
It's
gag.
fine. So, but it's fine.
But everybody knows now. I mean,
But now then you are a Kapoor.
I'm a Kapoor and Ranveer's a Bhatt.
I think that's perfect.
You know that Raha said that.
Raha said that.
Yeah, she said Alia Bhatt, and then once she said Papa Bhatt.
Papa Bhatt.
She's
That's so
called him
cute.
that. Today she called me Alia Kapoor, so she keeps changing the names also.
But you know that we all love our food.
Yeah.
And you've seen the way we all eat, like when we meet.
Yeah.
So what is that one recipe that you and Ranveer both enjoy?
The Kapoor recipe.
Yeah, any
Or life.
food from the Kapoor Khana. But I don't think you eat any of that from what I've seen. So any recipe that you guys enjoy.
Like we jointly enjoy Chinese. Recipe I would not say, but like we just love enjoying like eating Chinese food from Royal China.
But that he does. You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Chinese food put together, like
Yeah.
he and I watching a movie, Royal
It's
China
perfect.
is
That's
the
like a
most,
perfect date
It's
night.
the perfect date night. Like I look forward to those moments where it happens repeatedly on the way back from shoot because Ranveer doesn't have Swiggy on his phone, so all the ordering, even if I'm not at home, he'll tell me, "Can you order me this, etc." So I get the menu and then I have to place the order. Then we sit and we eat, and it's like it's too much fun.
Oh God, those nights are just heaven.
The
huh?
best.
Yeah, so it's Royal China, great. It's time for the Jaldi 5. It's a rapid fire because we're in season 5.
Oh.
So we'll ask you a few questions, and this is going to be about the Bhatt family.
Oh yeah.
Okay, because you're a Bhatt and we want to know like who does what in when it comes to the Bhatt family. Which Bhatt is the best secret keeper?
Shaheen Bhatt.
Shaheen Bhatt.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Pooja Bhatt. She'll be very good.
Oh, really? Okay. Interesting.
She's very good.
And which Bhatt is the biggest foodie?
I think we're all foodies.
Okay.
But if I
Shaheen
would
is also
say
very-
Shaheen's also foodie, but like limited. I would say my mum and me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, I think it's
We
the
eat
Kapoor
more
effect.
range.
Yeah, like you want
Like,
to experiment. maybe.
Experiment more. I mean, again, stay within the lines, but experiment a little bit more. But Shaheen and my father are like fixed. Like, Shaheen only eats 3 sabzis and 3 things.
Which Bhatt is the fashionista?
Pooja.
Oh, yeah.
Pooja is
has a
the
lovely-
OG fashionista.
I think so.
Yeah.
She truly was. Which Bhatt is the dominating one?
Shaheen.
Acha, not
Yeah.
you.
No.
No.
My father is like very scared. What does he call her? He calls her some principal. I got shouted by the principal again or
Oh,
something.
God.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
she's the
She's assertive, I would say.
assertive. Fine. Which Bhatt is the party animal?
None of us.
I think none of y'all, no?
Sony Bhatt. Sony
She's
likes,
more social.
Sony
and-
likes a quick dance and all.
Because you're not. You're like sleeping now at like 9 o'clock. And
Not like we're, none of us are real party animals, but if somebody who has the spirit of like, oh, let's go do this and let's have an adventure. She's gone on her father. She's more adventurous.
she's more adventurous and fun. Okay, great. I think that was nice. She got a little insight into, the Bhatt families.